It's 1:40 in the morning. I just saw Star Wars. Let's make a cooking video. You never know when like inspiration is gonna strike you, and I'm not super hungry, but it's been a while since I made a cooking video. So let's do this. A chicken thing. So grab your ingredients. Here we go. It's chicken. There's so many bags, but chicken. It's gonna look like that. It's gonna be beautiful. It's 1:40. Oh, this is still recording. The bok choy is always real like gross. You need to wash your veggies. Wash your veggies. Wash. Look at that. Dirt. Nature. Take a moment to look outside and enjoy the view. Christmas. Okay, you got a pile of veggies. Pile of veggies right here. Now we gotta cut into these. Gotta do that to this. This to that. I don't know. I don't know why I'm doing this right now. I should be asleep. But you know what? Look at, I got like an apron thing. And this is my apartment. It's beautiful. Bok choy. And with the celery. Leaves in their own bowl. They cook faster. Gotta put things that don't cook as fast together. All you have to do to chop broccoli is this. Gotta blanch the broccoli. So tired. Oh my. Why? Why do I do this? Cook chicken. I believe in you. All right. It's done. Gotta get low. It's pretty much done. Yeah. It looks pretty good. Doesn't look like the picture, but for like 2:30 in the morning, I think it's pretty good. I'm gonna take a bite right now. I want to get in bed, and I don't know. Is it okay to? Should I be eating like right before bed? I don't know. Who knows? I'm adult. I make up my own rules. Hot. It was good. Everything was good. Every one of my videos, every one I say is good. Is that the only adjective I know? I don't know. Good thing my bed is like right there. Like, I can just eat this and that's it. Okay, I made a video. Star Wars was pretty good. I don't know. I'm not gonna spoil anything. Why would I? I'm gonna have a mess to clean tomorrow morning. Well. Alexa, good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
So yeah, get all your ingredients. Get all your ingredients and just like, and that's what I need right now. I need easy because I don't need more garlic. Stop sending me garlic. Oh, Friends. This is my shelf of Friends. Oh, it's so hot in here.